Hey, so we're here at the PennWest Fall Show, and I brought special guest Jonathan here with me. No, wait, that's Jeremy. I forget which one's which. Either way, we're going to walk through these homes together and show you some different things that they're doing this year. So let's take a walk through. Jeremy, what do we got here? This looks real modern, huh? Getting fancy.
I wonder what they called it.
Getting fancy.
I love the French names. You know? Mono roof is great. We love that.
Absolutely.
The dark siding's great. Carbon siding.
Yeah.
What do you think of the wood color vertical? Do you like that color, or do you not like
I don't
that
know.
color?
I gotta sit with it for a little bit.
Does it look natural or not natural?
It does not look natural to me.
It's like a
personally.
slight. It's a little bit too imitation, I think, on that.
It does.
That
It
hue.
does.
The hue. That hue.
Can't wait to see what the name of this
And
one
then,
is.
do you like
Should
the
be fun.
white? Do you like the white trim and stuff?
That's okay.
The
That's
bowling
okay.
house all had white trim, didn't
Yeah.
it? Or did it have dark?
No, that had dark trim. That was white on the inside. Yeah.
And then, do you like the lineals, the thicker window trim with the modern roof line, or is that kind of apples and oranges a bit?
It's
what I mean?
fine. I mean, I don't think I would choose to go in that direction with it. I think to me, I think, I don't know. I feel like it kind of goes in the wrong direction.
If you do the narrower window trim, then it looks a little more modern.
I agree.
Right?
I agree. I think that
thicker
would be.
window trim is more a craftsman style.
Yeah, I agree.
All right,
I agree.
Go inside.
Let's take a look.
I like the full light glass door though, guys.
Absolutely. Welcome home.
Oh. Shoes off or on? I like the layout. This is really nice.
This is nice.
And you know what? Having the kitchen go the whole way over here.
Yeah.
Right? Because otherwise it's just a galley kitchen.
Well, this is kind of going off of what they were doing with the limited series, where they kind of, do that, do the built-ins in the dining space there.
Oh, and
right?
the Ultra, you mean?
Well, the Ultra as well. Yeah,
Is that
yeah.
the same as the
Well,
limited?
you could option it in with the limited.
Yeah.
They were doing that.
So we've got painted gray cabinets,
Mhm.
and then we now have painted black cabinets.
Ooh.
Painted black. So
Painted
it's
black.
it's the full shaker. It's not a thin shaker. It's the full shaker. But
Yep.
still, I mean, that looks really sharp.
Mm-hmm.
I like that a lot. It feels, feels okay. I don't
Yeah.
know. Do you like the mix and match? I don't know. I probably would just do all black if I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
Or maybe black and wood grain or something.
That could be interesting. Doing
Yeah.
the black and the wood grain.
Yeah.
That could be an interesting idea. Yeah.
You have a lot of shelves. You could do more open shelves because there's so much.
Agreed. Yeah,
For a
I think
small
that.
house. This really has a lot of kitchen space.
I think the open shelves across there would be really nice. And they do have some options for that kind of stuff.
1,700 square feet. Do a zoom in on the floor plan. Front door, living room. So first floor master at the back, and then second floor bedrooms 2 and 3, and the second bath. So no half bath.
Right.
So
right.
so your guests would have to go upstairs to use the bathroom.
No. Half bath right here.
Oh, here it is. Okay.
Yeah, right over there.
Right. Yeah, that's great. I mean, a half bath is really nice, right?
Casita. What is that? That's not French. That's
That's the Spanish. That's the Spanish hot tamale. That's the hot tamale. Stacked laundry. And then pocket door.
Yeah, this house needs stacked laundry for sure.
Oh, ow. There we go. 2-panel solid core.
Is it solid?
Isn't it? Feels solid.
It does feel solid. You're right. Half bath, framed mirrors in there.
They're using a different, they're doing the new Leviton panel box, so it looks slightly different.
Looks enormous.
It's a lot of extra panels for your,
Goes on.
for your basement.
It goes on forever, that panel box.
What do you think of the green tile? What do you think of this new backsplash?
I like that backsplash. That's a nice option.
Okay,
I do like the matte color of the green though. I do like the matte color like that. But
I don't like the groutless tile because
Yeah,
you
I
can
agree.
see too many imperfections on the tile.
Yeah,
I
that's
think
true.
the whole point of the grout is to hide the imperfections.
yeah, I agree. That's a good call.
So this model has electric baseboards. which we just did in Watkins Glen, right?
We did.
So
We
then
just
you
did
could always
that.
put in a forced air furnace or a split system for your AC, but this is a super inexpensive way to, to heat. Every room has its own thermostat.
You know, I think they did it because they saw the video we did on that house. I think they just,
yeah.
put it in at the last moment. They said,
Sure.
look at that video that Buffalo Modular just did. We better do that.
What do you think of the really minimalist?
That's a nice change of pace, how they did that.
Yeah,
So there's no gap on the bottom anymore like they had before either. So that's
it's
interesting.
traditional trim.
Yeah.
So,
I do like something
The
on top
traditional
here.
casing.
That doesn't feel quite right to me.
it does feel a little unfinished.
Yeah.
Well, look who it is.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, man.
Oh my goodness.
Wrong end.
Yes. How you doing? Good to see ya. Is all this candy for us?
Yes, it is.
That's a lot of candy.
And lots of food under the
Reese's.
tent, too.
Reese's. There we go.
Oh,
So
good.
this is the neighborhood plan, but
Yeah.
we will be building it as PennWest also. Okay?
All right,
Sweet.
so we've gone through the main area. Here's the master. Take us
This
through
is
the
nice.
master.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Tell us
I
about
like how
it.
you come in and can see the shower. That's really nice. So you come in and look to your right.
That is nice, actually. Oh, look at that.
Because everyone likes to come in and spy on their wife.
The awkward word they used in there was spy. Actually. That's let's move on. Let's
Well,
move on
let's
from
keep
there.
going.
I remember some customers were like, I want a full wall here so my husband can't spy on me.
That's right.
That's what I was thinking.
That's right.
She said that, and I was like, that's hilarious.
This home is standard with casement windows.
Okay.
Okay.
All the casement windows with the transoms are
So casement,
standard.
you mean the crank
That's a
house.
good
That
idea
is
because then you don't you got clearer sight lines too,
Right,
so that's nice.
Exactly.
And
Good
so,
call.
are those MI? Are those
No,
windows?
Paradigm.
Paradigm, okay, that's right. We moved to Paradigm.
8'6" ceilings are standard in this home, first floor and second floor.
Okay.
Okay. New showers with new tile floors.
Tile floors. What is happening?
Yes.
Holy cow.
So is that, and then, you know what, actually
Look
the
at this.
biggest thing I see here is that you've got this,
Went back to the niche.
you've got the minimalist rail.
Yes. Now.
I like that rail much better.
This is a short. This is a very short rail, though. The new ones that we are getting are higher.
A little higher.
And you can either go with this solid panel or the barn
slider.
door.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
The barn door style.
Yeah.
2-panel interior doors are now standard.
Corian sill
Mhm.
from underneath, LVP
Yes.
on the floor.
Very
Or is
nice.
this linoleum?
No, this is linoleum. Yeah.
Okay.
Much lower threshold on our showers
Yeah,
now.
you can do that now with the tile.
Yes.
You can do
That's
that.
nice.
Yeah.
2-panel
Yeah, I do like that.
interior doors are standard.
Can you option the tile to go up to
Yes,
the
you
ceiling?
can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
Um,
black hardware standard as well? Or
No.
is that
No, it's still
whatever they
optional.
want? Yeah.
Lever, though, is standard, okay?
Is that solid or hollow?
It's hollow,
Okay.
yeah.
I wasn't quite sure. This is oh yeah. Okay. That the pocket door felt solid.
He's trying to justify the fact that he thought it was solid. So he's trying to backtrack here. I mean, yeah, I knew all along it was hollow. I knew that.
Oh, excuse me.
New black cabinets.
Edie, here's your shirt.
Isn't that a nice shirt? Oh, I got the shiny one.
There you go.
Sorry, John.
Oh, there's my socks.
It'll just be. No, they're clean. They're clean. This is the laundry's done.
Black cabinets.
Black cabinets.
New optional black cabinets.
So does that mean are you doing 6 cabinets then, or are you still 5?
You love doing these things in the model homes.
Yeah.
Come on, Jeremy.
All right.
Act professional.
this guy.
Act professional.
Come on now. No, we will have gray, black, white, and a maple, stained maple.
Same maple. Oh, so 4.
That's
Wow.
gonna be the
In
4
addition to
cabinets
the
that we
existing-
offer. No.
Wow.
In addition.
So can you go through them again? White, black,
Mhm.
gray,
and a stained maple. And I'll
So
show
what
you all
color
of
stain?
these. You'll see it.
Can
I
you
don't
just
know
describe
what
it?
It's like a honey.
Honey?
Well,
Are
kind
you
of looks
calling
like
me
walnut. No, I do
Mary,
not.
you know what I'm
I
Mary?
do know you're Mary. There's a new tile.
Yeah, both of those are new,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So you pulled some cabinetry off of your option line and then we've added new ones. Okay.
So it looks like you guys kind of play. I mean, at least from my perspective, you and Colony always seem to kind of play off of each other and figuring out. You know, one of you steps in one direction and then the other one kind of waits and sees how that plays out,
Pretty
right?
much, yeah.
So Colony did a similar tile last year, and then they did the black cabinets last year too, I think,
Oh,
right?
okay.
But they
I
were
don't know
different
that.
versions of those things,
I
right?
see.
So I'm assuming that those things went well. So then, hey,
Apparently.
let's do that.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go upstairs.
So crescent edging is standard. Hold on.
Ooh,
Crescent
standard.
edging is now standard.
Well, we always do that standard in our homes
Soft
anyway.
close cabinet doors are now standard.
Okay.
Along with the soft close drawers, which those have always been
Right.
standard. New cabinet hardware. We offer a gold,
Oh, you went to gold. Cool.
yeah, silver, and black.
Nice.
Okay. These are 48-inch cabinets. That's why you've got the extra caps at the very top.
Can you option in a filler, 6-inch filler, to bring this down? I'm sure you could specify
I
it.
don't see why not. As long as I can get the cabinet door, the right size cabinet door.
No,
you know what I'm
the
saying?
door stays the same, but then you just
Oh,
have a,
you just want a
have
bottom
little
piece.
filler
Well, I
piece.
wouldn't see why not. Why couldn't you?
But that's typical for sales to say that. And
Well,
then
I
you
don't
just-
see
you
why
just make it
not.
happen. You just make it happen.
Edie just goes in there when they turn the lights out, and she just goes in there and just does it.
Yeah,
You know.
that's right. This is what we need. Okay, let's go
Are we going
upstairs.
up? Okay.
And did you see the basement stairwell? Comes around.
Yeah.
Oh, that it bends around. Yeah.
There's no basement in here, right?
No.
Okay. You come up, bedroom at the front, bedroom at the back, office here. Yeah, it looks really nice. Big transom.
Oh, office
window.
space.
Now this
That's good.
transom window is optional. We put that in just to make the hallway larger.
Yeah.
Yep. It's a good call.
Feel with the large windows.
Yeah, this
Really
is
like
similar to a modern house that we're building with the triple window there.
Mhm.
Oh, really?
Narrow window, yeah, it's nice.
See, they saw it.
Nice.
They saw our videos.
Well, this is based off the Casita. Do you remember the Manorwood
Right.
Casita?
Yep.
This is a version of it. This is a Casita. So and there's your bathroom.
What's the translation of casita?
I have no idea.
Oh.
Oh.
Spanish. Right?
Sure. What size room
Hey
is that?
Siri, what does casita mean in English?
You can translate into English and many other languages in Translate.
Let's open translate. I think it's small home in Spanish.
Oh,
You're
really?
just making stuff up now.
But correct me if I'm wrong in the comments.
I think it
And let me know
translates-
if I'm an idiot.
Translates to PennWest small home, I think, is actually what it translates to. I think.
Cool. I like these casement windows.
Yes.
Yeah, I like them a lot.
Now.
Nice. Can you
because-
do a more modern trim? Do you have any other trim options or no?
Yes, you'll see that.
Can you do a square trim?
Yes,
Okay.
you'll see that. It's MDF though.
Yeah,
It
typically
will
they
not
are on
be
the
pine.
square.
This is a real pine. It's
Yeah, that's the
painted
pine. You guys have always done the pine.
Yes.
Yeah.
New carpet, 8'6" ceilings
So
on
this
the
is,
So this
this
is-
is the new carpet,
Mm-hmm.
not the old carpet.
No.
So a new color, you mean?
Yes,
Okay,
correct.
gotcha. Okay.
On the Casita, because it is a 2-story single section,
Yep.
electric baseboard only, or hot water baseboard, but I can't do boots and registers forced air. Mm-hmm. So I've had a lot of people saying about mini
chase up
splits.
or
No, I can't. No.
All right.
I like the. That's a new surround. I like the surround a lot. I like that. I like
Oh,
that big
yeah.
round shelf is really nice. It looks really smooth. Well, it is smooth, but you know what I mean. It looks, that's not what I meant.
Sharp.
It looks sharp.
It looks sharp.
Sharp.
But you can't
Boy,
say
that's
sharp because it's
neato.
rounded edges. Boy, that's really sharp there.
New mirrors, no more beveled edge mirror. They are
Oh,
the
look, you
black.
can see what I'm saying. Look at it. It's got sharp lines. All right.
36
There's a new-
inch
there's a new,
vanities are always
The light's
standard.
nice.
Okay?
Sharp,
New
Yep.
light,
sharp light.
new mirror. You do pay attention.
I'm listening to the whole thing.
Don't make me yell at you in your video. Dang it.
All right, let's see.